Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome to Tasnuba's Thoughts. In this session, I am gonna tell you 50 British versus American words. So let's start. Number 1. What is this guys? In British it's called garden. In America it's called backyard. Garden, backyard. Garden, backyard. Number 2. What is this guys? In British it's called maths. In America it's called math. Maths, math. Maths, math. Number 3. What is this guys? In British it's called reception. In America it's called front desk. Reception, front desk. Reception, front desk. Number 4. What is this guys? In British it's called glass. In America it's called cup. Glass, cup. Number 5. What is this guys? In British it's called toilet. In America it's called restroom. Toilet, restroom. Toilet, restroom. Number 6. What is this guys? In British it's called rubbish. In America it's called garbage. Rubbish, garbage. Rubbish, garbage. Number 7. What is this guys? In British it's called trolley. In America it's called cart. Trolley, cart. Trolley, cart. Number 8. What is this guys? In British it's called fridge. In America it's called refrigerator. Fridge, refrigerator. Fridge, refrigerator. Number 9. What is this guys? In British it's called lorry. In America it's called truck. Lorry, truck. Lorry, truck. Number 10. What is this guys? In British it's called jumper. In America it's called sweater. Jumper, sweater. Jumper, sweater. Number 11. What is this guys? In British it's called car park. In America it's called parking lot. Car park, parking lot. Car park, parking lot. Number 12. What is this guys? In British it's called boot. In America it's called trunk. Boot, trunk. Boot, trunk. Number 13. What is this guys? In British it's called headmaster. In America it's called principal. Headmaster, principal. Headmaster, principal. Number 14. What is this guys? In British it's called mobile. In America it's called cell phone. Mobile, cell phone. Mobile, cell phone. Number 15. What is this guys? In British it's called bill. In America it's called check. Bill, check. Bill, check. Number 16. What is this guys? In British it's called trousers. In America it's called pants. Trousers, pants. Trousers, pants. Number 17. What is this guys? In British it's called football. In America it's called soccer. Football, soccer. Football, soccer. Number 18. What is this guys? In British it's called driving license. In America it's called driver's license. Number 19. What is this guys? In British it's called wardrobe. In America it's called closet. Wardrobe, closet. Wardrobe, closet. Number 20. What is this, guys? In British, it's called candy floss. In America, it's called cotton candy. Candy floss, cotton candy. Candy floss, cotton candy. Number 21. What is this, guys? In British, it's called dustbin. In America, it's called garbage can. Dustbin, garbage can. Dustbin, garbage can. Number 22. What is this, guys? In British, it's called holiday. In America, it's called vacation. Holiday, vacation. Holiday, vacation. Number 23. What is this, guys? In British, it's called dustman. In America, it's called garbage man. Dustman, garbage man. Dustman, garbage man. Number 24. What is this, guys? In British, it's called petrol station. In America, it's called gas station. Petrol station, gas station. Petrol station, gas station. Number 25. What is this, guys? In British, it's called food shop. In America, it's called grocery shop. Food shop, grocery shop. Food shop, grocery shop. Number 26. What is this, guys? In British, it's called lift. In America, it's called elevator. Lift, elevator. Lift, elevator. Number 27. What is this, guys? In British, it's called skipping rope. In America, it's called jump rope. Skipping rope, jump rope. Skipping rope, jump rope. Number 28. What is this, guys? In British, it's called number plate. In America, it's called license plate. Number plate, license plate. Number plate, license plate. Number 29. What is this, guys? In British, it's called sweets. In America, it's called candy. Sweets, candy. Sweets, candy. Number 30. What is this, guys? Wash basin. In America, it's called sink. Wash basin, sink. Wash basin, sink. Number 31. What is this, guys? In British, it's called full stop. In America, it's called period. Full stop, period. Full stop, period. Number 32. What is this, guys? In British, it's called biscuits. In America, it's called cookies. Biscuits, cookies. Biscuits, cookies. Number 33. What is this, guys? In British, it's called check. In America, it's called check. Check, check. Check, check. Number 34. What is this, guys? In British, it's called chips. In America, it's called fries. Chips, fries. Chips, fries. Number 35. What is this, guys? In British, it's called Crispies. In America, it's called chips. Crispies, chips. Number 36. What is this, guys? In British, it's called road. In America, it's called street. Road, street. Road, street. Number 37. What is this, guys? In British, it's called vets. In America, it's called vegetables. Vets, vegetables. Vets, vegetables. Number 38. What is this, guys? In British, it's called film. In America, it's called movie. Film, movie. Film, movie. Number 39. What is this, guys? In British, it's called cinema. In America, it's called movie theater. Cinema, movie theater. Cinema, movie theater. Number 40. What is this, guys? In British, it's called rubber. In America, it's called eraser. Rubber, eraser. Rubber, eraser. Number 41. What is this, guys? In British, it's called zip. In America, it's called zipper. Zip, zipper. Zip, zipper. Number 42. What is this, guys? In British, it's called maize. In America, it's called corn. Maize, corn. Maize, corn. Number 43. What is this, guys? In British, it's called cooker. In America, it's called stove. Cooker, stove. Cooker, stove. Number 44. What is this, guys? In British, it's called taxi. In America, it's called cab. Taxi, cab. Taxi, cab. Number 45. What is this, guys? In British, it's called flat. In America, it's called apartment. Flat, apartment. Flat, apartment. Number 46. What is this, guys? In British, it's called tap. In America, it's called faucet. Number 47. What is this, guys? In British, it's called handbag. In America, it's called purse. Handbag, purse. Handbag, purse. Number 48. What is this, guys? In British, it's called torch. In America, it's called flashlight. Torch, flashlight. Torch, flashlight. Number 49. What is this, guys? In British, it's called engineer. In America, it's called plumber. Engineer, plumber. Engineer, plumber. Number 50. What is this, guys? In British, it's called tin. In America, it's called can. Tin, can. Tin, can. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Stay safe.